Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Durrr Burger skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this skin, and to begin we're going to start out with the top bun first. So we're just going to draw on the bottom here, on the bottom of the top bun, just one line across. And then we're going to curve up a little bit for the sides. And then this is going to be where the eyeball is going to be. So we're just going to draw one curve like this. So just kind of cut it in. And then from here we can draw in the eyeball. So now we're just going to draw in. So the top part is going to be a little bit rounder. Alright. And then we can draw in, fill in the eyeball. Shade it in. Alright, so then from here we're going to finish up the bun. So back to this corner here, we're just going to go all the way around to the other side. So now we have a full bun on the top. And then so after this, let's start drawing in the, I know there's some details, but let's draw in the tongue right now. So right here, right around, like from the eye area right here, you can make yourself two little marks just so you know that the tongue's gonna start here. And then we're just gonna curve it down. And I'm just gonna round it off and close it. So then from here, we're gonna draw in, I think this is the tomato. So just on the side here, just come down and then we're just gonna come all the way across. And then this is gonna be the cheese. So we got on the side here, just curve it on both sides. And then this one, we're just gonna curve this way. So it looks like it's kind of dripping down. And then this side, we're gonna come down and then we're gonna draw another arc here. Okay, and then from here for the patty, the beef itself, it's gonna be kind of underneath the cheese. So just come down slightly. And then we'll just go all the way across. And we'll be able to see this much better after we color it. And then for the bun on the bottom, again, just two little arcs, brackets on the side. And then we're just gonna close it off with just a little bit of curve. So it should be right underneath the tongue. Okay, and let's see, to finish off the details, it's gonna be, looks like some sesames up here. And I think this is the olive, right? So I'm just gonna draw one circle. And then on the side here, just draw another circle. So it's off to the side. And here's the little toothpick. Alright, so that's the head. And if you want to draw a more detailed Durrr Burger, I have that video as well. So now let's move on to the body. So on the side here, just gonna slant out for his shoulders. And then we're just gonna come in, pinch it in all the way to his waist, close it off. And he's got the same belt, so it's just gonna draw one section. And then a slightly smaller one for his second belt. And then again, the details, here is the buckle. One loop on this side, one on this side, and then the bottom buckle, and there's two lines across, and then same thing, one loop on each side. So it's the same belt as all the other characters. So now let's add in some details on his shirt, which is kind of cool. So right here, his little bow tie. So just add a little round shape there. It doesn't have to be perfectly spherical. And then from here, we're just gonna go out and let's close it. And then same thing on this side, close it. Okay, and then let's see in the middle here, he's got, get his shirt. And then we're gonna add in, I'm just gonna add in, yeah, put in 4 buttons. Okay, and then from here we can add in the his little collar. So inside, just drawing 2 lines like this, and it's gonna come out to the side here. So just come out and just go back up. So it's got a really wide collar. So again, we're gonna come out and then slant up. Okay, so that's the collar, and then it's got two straps here, so we're just gonna come down on each side. And we can add a little bit of buckle detail here. And I think it's got one little pocket here. These are just smaller details. And I know there's some sesame, but let's add that later. Okay, so let's move on to his arms. And so here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down. Biceps, just two brackets. Out. And then we're gonna pinch it in. Close it off. And let's add one little section here. So right around this area right here. There's this glove, so I'm just gonna add some detail. And then let's see, let's just give him a fist. So we're just gonna come out, hook it back in, and then here's the back of the fist. And just curve it in. And we can add in a little bit of detail here for his thumb. Just the back of the glove. Alright, so it's pretty simple. It's just the generic arm from Fortnite. So let's move on to the other one. So here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down. Bracket for his biceps. Come out, and we can close this off because he's wearing the wrap around the arms. And then now we're gonna pinch it in. So same length on the arms. Same thing here on the glove. And here's the fist. So just hook it, back of the fist, close it, and then add a little square there, and then the back, a little detail on the back of the glove. And he's got one strap here, so I'm just gonna draw two lines. Alright, so let's move on down. So we come down here for this one. Instead of drawing like a little flat line, just give it some angle. We'll try to mix it up a little bit. Okay, so just give it a little slant, and then now we're gonna continue on to the side. Come down, right here, come down, and then close it off. Just come in and close it off. Okay, and then on the other side, so coming down, use the other side for reference. Start from here. Slant it in and then close it. And then let's see, all right, let's finish this part up here. So this thing goes all the way down. So we're gonna continue this line all the way down. And then add some buttons here. I'm just gonna add two. Okay, so let's finish up the legs. And so the legs are same thing. So here's the slant it out, close it off, pinch it back in, close it off, and a dome shape, come down and then come out more on this side. Close that off and then extend it slightly. Give him nice big tracks on the bottom of his shoes. And then again, some detail here. And then, all right, let's just add in those two lines for the armor. Come all the way down. Okay, so the other side is gonna be pretty much the same, except it's got some straps around the armor. So use the other side for reference. Close it off and then dome shape again. Close. And then extend it slightly. Slant down. Close it off and then two little rectangles. And I hope I'm not speeding through because they're kind of the same as a lot of the other characters. So Okay, so here's the strap. And then for the other one, I'm just gonna draw it at a slightly different angle. It makes it a lot more interesting. Okay, and then for the armor itself, so again, we're gonna come straight down behind the straps. Okay, so let's see. Let's finish up the details here. He's gonna have 2 straps here, so 1 and 2. And he's got 1 pouch here, so just hook it around, and then for the flap itself, just draw a little angle and just go out. And I'm just gonna give him a little, maybe like a mustard bottle here, so just draw it as slant. And then we're gonna come down. So this is gonna be behind the leg. And just come up 1 section, and then the very tip, just kind of taper it in. Alright, so he's got a lot of condiments on the back, so we can't see it all. And then lastly, just add in some dots for the sesame. And even on the top here. And that is it for this very funny looking Durrr Burger skin. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.